Yes, we can hear you.
The Importance of Bees by Zoya. What are bees? Bees are flying insects known for their role in pollinating flowers and making honey. They have a fuzzy body, two pairs of wings, and six legs. There are many types of bees, but honeybees and bumblebees are the most common. Bees live in groups called colonies, and they help plants grow by spreading pollen, which is important for producing fruits and vegetables. Why are bees important? Helping plants grow. Bees carry pollen from one flower to another, which helps plants make fruits and vegetables. Food for us. Many of the food we eat, like apples, almonds, and berries, need bees to grow. Without bees, we would have fewer tasty food. Healthy ecosystem. Bees help pollinate wild plants, which provide homes and food for animals. This keeps nature balanced and healthy. Making honey. Bees produce honey, which is delicious treat and can be good for our health. Support for farmers.
Just a
Farmers
minute.
rely
Excuse
on
me, Zoya. Zoya, just a minute. Your voice is it audible for everyone?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The
Yeah,
voice is
ma'am.
bit low.
Yes. It's
The
low.
voice is low for me. That's why.
It's
We can
glitching.
hear, but it is bit low.
Audible, but the voice is very slow. Zoya, please check whether your sound is low or not.
No, ma'am, it's always like this only.
Yeah, I think in class also it's like this, no? You can continue,
Yes.
Zoya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay. Farmers rely on bees to pollinate their crops, which helps them to make more food and earn money. Facts about bees. Living in groups. Bees live together in colonies where each bee has a special job, like finding food or taking care of
Your
babies.
voice is low.
Talking through dancing. Can you hear?
Yeah. Think your laptop or computer and things.
Can I continue?
Yes, Zoya.
Bees talk,
Continue.
bees talk to each other by doing a dance called the waggle dance to show where food is. Good memory. Bees can remember where flowers and even recognize human faces. Vibrating for pollen. Bumblebees can shake their bodies to get pollen from certain flowers, which helps them pollinate. Healthy honey. Honey is tasty and also good for you because it has natural properties that can help kill pests. What are hives? Hives serve as a shelter for bee colonies, protecting them from the elements and predators. Types of bees. Honeybees. These bees make honey and live in big groups called colonies. They are very good at pollinating flowers. Bumblebees. They are big fluffy bees that live in a smaller groups and also help pollinate flowers. Carpenter bees. These bees are large and like to dig holes in wood to build their home. Sweat bees. They are small and sometimes like to land on people to drink sweat for salt. Mason bees. These bees are great pollinators and like to make their homes in small holes like in wood or even bricks. Hornets. A type of wasp. Hornets are larger and can be more aggressive. They make nests and help by eating other insects. Wasps. Unlike bees, wasps are smooth and more aggressive. They help control insect populations by hunting other bugs. How do they look like? The life cycle of a bee. Eggs. The queen bee lays tiny eggs in the honeycomb. They hatch after a few days. Larva. The little bee called a larva eats yummy food and grows. This takes about a week. Pupa. The larva becomes a pupa and changes into an adult bee during this time. Adult. The bee comes out as a grown-up. Can be a queen, a worker, or a drone. Why is honey important? Yummy. Honey is sweet and tastes good. Healthy. It helps when you have a sore throat or a tummy ache. Helps flower. Bees make honey by visiting flowers, which helps the flowers grow. Put in food. People use honey in snacks and drinks. Job for people. Many people work with bees to make honey and earn money. Special. Honey is used in fun celebrities and traditions. Thank you, Zoya, for that awesome presentation. We learned so much about bees today. They are really important for our planet and our food. Now it's time for questions. If you have any questions about bees, please raise your hand.
Can I ask a question?
First it's
Those who
Inara.
have the questions, please raise your arm. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
They have already raised, ma'am. First it's Inara.
Is Inara there?
Inara, you can ask the question.
Please turn on the mic, my dear. Nara.
Ma'am, she's not there. She's not there.
Okay, Shreya.
How do bees recognize humans? What? How do bees recognize humans? They recognize, they have visual cues, and bees rely on visual patterns rather than the specific features of a face. Yeah. Okay. Any more?
Next it's Swali. Those who have asked the question can lower their hands. Inara, please lower your hands.
What
Swali
all,
can ask the question. Yes.
what all things bees eat? What all things we eat? I couldn't hear. What were you saying? What food we eat? Bees eat? Yeah. They 1 minute. Yeah, nectar. They eat nectar, pollen, bee bread, water, sugar, and plant veggies. Okay.
Next is it Amna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Samna.
You can ask question.
So, just imagine someone be with you, like, what should I do?
Should take some, tweezer, right? Take the
Mm-hmm.
tweezer and remove the um.
But what if it's like really late?
Then you make then you have to make it for the future. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
Now, any more questions?
Next, right? Aisha, please ask question.
Which is the harmful bee among every bee? What?
Which is the harmful bee among every bee? Like, which is the harmful one?
The harmful one is hornets.
What?
Hornets. Hornets.
Okay, thank you.
Next, Zara Anup can ask.
Yeah,
Zara.
yeah, ma'am. What is the lifespan of a bee?
A lifespan.
Yeah.
They first become they will first a queen bee will first lay an egg, okay, and then
Yeah.
it will turn into a larva, and then after some time it will be a pupa, then it will be an adult.
Yeah. But when does the life end of that bee?
What? And
Like, how long do the bee live?
they live like for 3 to 4, like 7 to 5 weeks.
Okay. And also one more question. Can bees go underwater?
No, they can't.
Okay.
Next, it's Aiden.
Why does bees store honeys? What does bees do with honey?
Okay, 1 minute. Food for winter. They store honey for winter, for nutrition and energy, survival, and hive care.
Okay.
Next, it's Izza Fatima. You can ask question, Izza.
Okay, I have 3 questions. The first question is, why do bees have like fluffy things surrounding them? Like some kind of fluff, you know, that fluffy thing that, why do bees have those? And what were they called?
They use these fluffy things for the pollen. Like the pollen will be stuck on their body, and then they will go to their hives and shake it off. They will shake it off.
Okay. So my second question is, what do drones do? Drone.
Yeah, 1 moment.
What do drones do?
Drones don't collect. They don't collect nectar or pollen. They just clean the hive or take care of the babies bees.
Okay, so do bees have mating? This is the third question.
Do bees have meeting? Yes, they do have meeting. But it's not
Okay,
like
that's
human
it.
meeting. Any more questions?
Okay. Next, it's Amar's turn. Amar, please ask the question. And I hope all the facilitators here are noting down who all are asking the questions, like from the specific grade that you are handling. Please note down if any one student from that grade is asking any questions, because we need to give class dojo points for the student. Okay.
So, ma'am, like, how will a bee see? Like, how
What?
will a bee see?
Sorry,
In
what
which
did you say?
color do a bee see? or how can it?
Which
How?
color do bees see?
Yeah, that's the question.
They see blue, violet, and green.
Okay. Can I ask another?
Yeah.
So, like, if why do be better even though we didn't do anything to them?
What?
Why do bees beat us even though we don't do anything to them?
Um, yeah, one minute. Maybe.
Did Zoya answer the question Amir asked?
No.
No, ma'am.
Like
Yeah.
when we are near the wives, they think that we are going to take the hive away or something, like threatening them. So they will.
Like what Amir is asking is that even if we cause no harm to them, like to the bees, they are beating us. What
Yeah,
is the reason behind that?
yeah,
Is it
maybe
right,
because
Amir?
maybe
Yeah,
we
that's
are
correct.
close to their hives and they think that we are going to destroy the hive and maybe they will yeah.
So
Hey, I
they
have a
see
question.
like a binocular.
What?
They see like their eyes are like like they see like a microscope.
Yeah, they have reading.
Microscopes.
Can I ask some? Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question?
Yeah,
How is honey made?
they are made because of pollen from flowers.
Oh,
Can I ask? Can I can I ask a question?
Yeah,
Okay, so how long does live?
5 to 7 weeks. A queen bee lives like 3 to 5 years.
Okay. What about the worker bees?
Same only 3 to 5 weeks.
Okay.
Wait, I have another question. Shall I ask?
Yeah,
So, how honeybees communicate? The location of food sources, like to other member of
they
the
do
hive.
they do a waggle dance. They will dance and they communicate.
So, what is the communication vital for the survival of the hive? Hive.
But didn't get you.
I have another question.
Okay.
Could you explain the process of pollination in bees and how do bees contribute to the ecosystem?
I don't understand. I don't understand.
Zoya, you didn't
Teaching
understand the
like
question?
for like if some bees are in danger, how will one bee will tell
No.
the other bee that
Yeah.
he's in danger?
Zian, can you please repeat your question? I think she didn't understand your question, so you can also split the question.
So I was asking, like, how does bees, be like useful for the ecosystem, and what kind of impact does their decline have on the biodiversity and like
Okay.
food production?
Ah,
Can you
so
make
Zoya,
the
did you
question
understand the
again?
question? His first question was how these bees are important to our ecosystem.
Yeah. Yeah, 1 minute.
Zoya,
Yeah, ma'am.
You're not using ChatGPT, right?
Bees help plants grow by moving pollen from one flower to another flower.
Oh.
Yeah.
How do they do the waggle dance?
By dancing, by flying and dancing,
Eh,
flying
That's
around and
an.
around.
Okay.
Do that.
How about this? How does the angle of the waggle dance relate to the position of the food source in relation to the sun?
Can you repeat it?
How do the movement of the waggle dance, okay, like how do that relate to the position of food source when the like when the sun? Your voice is breaking.
Can you repeat it?
How does the angle of the waggle dance relate to the position of the food source in relation to the sun?
Sian, I think she doesn't know the answer. So if you know the answer, you can share it with everyone.
What, ma'am?
I think she doesn't know that answer. So if you
Yeah.
have an idea about, you
How
know,
was I saying?
Zoya?
Certain angles.
Yeah, your voice is not audible here.
Ma'am,
What are you saying? Yes.
I googled it and it's saying on the vertical surface.
Okay, so Sian, do you have an
Yeah.
idea about the answer? If yes, you can share like what is the
So
correct
like
answer.
if there's a question about what is waggle dance like a special movement that honeybees perform to communicate the location of food sources like flowers with nectar or pollen. So during this dance, a bee moves in a figure eight pattern. There are like different patterns, so they move the figure eight pattern, like waggle its body while moving in a straight line. And they do these waggle dance, like they perform the waggle dance to inform other bees in the hive about where to find the food. So they could easily locate it and it will be useful for their living. That's all.
Thank you, Zian. Okay. So now it's next Honyo's turn. Honyo, what is the question that you have?
My question is, can you tell me one thing that bees are scared of?
Zoya, did you hear the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What are bees scared of?
They are scared of wasps, bears, and birds. Wasps, bears, and birds.
One more question. Okay, my question is, wait, you can go with another.
Ma'am, after Honyo, can I ask?
Please
Actually,
raise your hands. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Mine is raised.
okay, those who already got a chance to ask a question, please lower your hands.
I think only most of them haven't asked the question. The ones who have raised their hands, I think Aisha have asked. Other than Aisha, no one else have asked before.
Okay, so is it Hannah Mariam asked the question, ma'am? Because I can see her name
No,
as the one.
no, I think Honyo was asking
No,
the
no.
question. He had two questions to ask. Honyo, did you finish asking questions?
My
Shreya
another
already
question
asked.
is,
I think we can move on to Hannah then.
Yes.
Hannah, please ask your question, dear.
What happens if queen bee leaves the hive?
It's the hive will grow, and there will be more bees, and bees dies until like 7 to 5 bees, and then the group won't work. The hive won't work.
I have one more question. Which bee is in black color?
Hornets are sometimes black.
Yes,
Hornets
next
are
it's
sometimes
Zini, right? Zini, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ask question, dear.
Is bees in is there bees no in different countries, or is there some bees which are not in some countries? Like, is there bees
there
in?
are no bees in like North Pole or something, so I'm saying no.
Okay.
Okay. Next question is by Panchika. No, or Prashant. I think it's by Prashant, right?
Yeah.
Yes, Prashant. Please ask
That's
question.
one.
dear.
I have few questions, but my first question is like, how long would it take to like finish making the bee nest?
Okay. It will be like 24 to 48 hours.
And how long? And my next question is like, how long is like the bee's lifespan?
What?
Like how long can a bee live for?
And that was already asked.
Yeah, that's 7 to 5 weeks.
Please try to avoid the repeated questions. Okay, once she answered the questions, please avoid that kind of questions.
Like my other question is like, how can like bees find the flowers?
They have they have a really good memory, and they could remember where flowers are. Okay.
That's done. Yeah, my questions are done.
What?
I'm done.
Can I ask a question?
Next it's Zaiba's turn. Next it's Zaiba's turn. Zaiba, you can ask questions.
After that, can I?
Please raise your hands. Dear Diana, you can ask, okay?
Not
Ma'am?
Diane, Shabaz.
What is the hand?
Shabaz, we are calling in the order, okay? So raise your hands and keep.
Okay.
Raise, but you didn't tell
What?
me.
You're breaking. You're breaking. Can you say
Zaiba,
again?
please ask the question once again.
Ma'am, this time I was not telling the question, but I have a question, can I?
Yes, you can ask.
Like, do male bees collect pollen? Yeah, thank you.
No, no, they don't. They're called a drone bee.
Oh, so they don't?
So, yeah, they don't. They are called a drone bee. They take care of baby bees and also look after the hive.
Oh, okay, thank you.
Next is Iman Zara. Iman Zara, you can ask the question.
Why bees have wings?
To fly.
Okay. But can they walk?
Yeah, they can.
Sure.
Okay, next it's Satvik.
But
Satvik,
flowers are
ask
too
the
big for
question.
them, not like us.
Okay. I have two questions. So, how many eyes does a bee have?
Sorry,
How many eyes does a bee have?
5.
Right. So, does all types of bees have the same amount of eyes?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
That's correct? Yes. Okay, then next it's Nu. No, please ask the question that you want to ask.
Yes, ma'am.
No, please ask the question. Yes. No,
So, I
Abdul
think
Rahman.
Yeah, yeah.
Um,
What if a being stings us and what will happen to us?
Nothing won't happen to us. It will only feel pain. Very painful. Some people have
Okay.
died because of the pain.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
But won't they also
Aish,
release a small venom from the sting?
Yeah, they will release small venom, but nothing bad won't happen.
Although, okay.
next,
My turn.
Aisha. Aisha, you already asked one question, right? You have another question?
yeah, I have two questions. So, who is worker, like female or male?
But
Who is the worker, female or male?
um, they are female.
Okay. And who is queen, female?
Female too. A big female.
Okay, thank
Next, it's Alim. Alim, please ask the question.
Yeah. So, like, what are the health benefits of honey and other bee products? Can we,
I do not get you.
what are the benefits of like honey? Like, what are the health benefits of honey and other bee products? Can you?
Um, the benefits of honey, they could heal our guts and it's also good for stomach pain. It's also tasty.
Yeah. Can you tell like
Next,
other
yeah.
bee products? Other bee products like
Other bee products? No, there are no other.
okay. Yeah, that's all. Um, um,
Yes, yes. Okay, Alim. So, those who have asked questions are again raising hands. You have
Ma'am, can
more
I ask
questions to
now?
ask?
Can
Wait,
I ask now?
who is that? Who is that? Please say your name.
Shabad,
Okay, Shabas, please ask.
do all bees make honey?
No, they don't.
Okay.
Diana has a question. Please ask.
ma'am, after the Anna, can I like I have one more question?
Is it Alim?
Yeah, swing.
Okay. Let's see. Wait. Yes, Diana, please ask your question.
Where did you get the topic from?
Hmm?
I got the topic because when I was in my house, so many bees have been dead on my house, and there is also a beehive outside right now. So I decided to make a bee presentation.
Okay. Someone named Fatima raised the hands, right? She was supposed to ask a question, but now the hand is lowered. Who's that? Fatima? No one wants to ask a question? Okay, Rosal.
Amna, you already asked the question, right, ma'am?
Yes. That's why I'm
So
not
please,
calling
those
them.
who got
Yes,
a
yes.
chance, please lower because the time is already up. It is 2:45. So those who
So
already
I
got a
think
need to
chance to
ask
ask
a
questions.
Rosario,
question. Can
Rosario
I
haven't
tell?
Rosario,
asked.
Can I
1
tell?
minute, 1 minute.
Ma'am, I
Yeah,
have a
I
doubt.
Aisha,
have.
I don't have questions. I have a doubt.
call you, okay? Rosario, yes,
Okay,
Zian, you got a chance.
No, not
Rosario,
question. I have a doubt. Ma'am, each
Can
question,
I,
how much points?
can
Ma'am,
I ask?
we have given you points, Zian.
ma'am, each questions, how much points?
That depends upon the question.
Okay,
Okay.
if you are asking more number of questions, depend upon the questions.
So if we ask more than 4 questions, will we get like 20 points?
So the facilitator who is handling your session, she may be not down. So if the
Okay.
questions are relevant or to the session like that,
Um.
then you will get a
Yes,
point.
Can I ask
I
one
have
more
given
question?
points to Zian now. I have given points to Zian.
Can
Okay,
I
okay.
ask? Can I
Oh.
ask?
Yes,
Rosario, you can ask.
ask Rosario.
I
How
have
do
one
bees fly? How do bees fly?
by using wings.
Okay.
By
I have another one. I have another one.
Can
And
I ask a
Can I ask,
question?
ma'am?
Actually,
what
Aisha,
do
Alia,
what
Can
Aisha
do
I
raised
ask a
her hand and
question?
lower.
I have one more.
Yes.
I have one
Let
more.
That
Rosario finish asking the question. Please wait, others.
after
And
Rosario, Aisha, Alia can ask.
Can I ask a question?
can I say it? What will
Zoya,
happen?
did you hear the question Rosario asked?
Yeah, ma'am. He's saying the second question.
Okay, so give the answer for the second question then.
Can I ask it?
Yes.
Yes.
Mm, what will happen if bees' wings like broke?
They won't be able to fly. They won't be able to. And
And
maybe they
can't.
will die.
Okay.
Aisha, Alia can ask questions now.
Aisha, Alia. Yes, yes. Aisha, Alia, please ask.
What is
After
life?
Manzar.
What is lifespan of the bee?
It was
Okay, what is
already asked.
lifespan?
Ma'am, it is already asked, I guess.
Yeah, many people are
Can
This
you answer
question
one
was asked many times. Please note down that you are not supposed to repeat the question simply. Listen to the webinar carefully, listen to the question and answer section
Yeah.
carefully, then only ask questions, okay? Please
Now
don't
should
ask
I
questions.
ask?
Wait, Zian, wait. We are going in the order, okay? So, Aisha, Alia, that was already asked. Okay, what was the answer for that? What is the lifespan of bee? Anyone?
She told it was like 7 to 5 months, I think. No, 5 to 7 months. No,
Okay,
weeks.
Aisha, Alia, that's the
yeah
answer.
weeks.
Yeah, Iman Zara, please ask. Those who ask the question,
Did,
lower hand, okay? Yes.
did bees have nose?
Huh? What?
Did bees have nose?
No, they don't have nose.
Okay, that's all.
I did. Okay, I did. You can ask.
What does it mean if a queen bee is flying around?
What?
What does it mean if a queen bee is flying around your house like that?
bees and looking for a new hive. Or
Okay.
maybe looking for a new.
Yes, now only Alim is left. Alim, please ask the question that you have.
Like, how can like a beginner like identify if like a different bee species? How can like a beginner identify if what the bee species are?
Yeah, who's calling me? Yes.
A honeybee has a like
Dua.
12 to 15
Yeah.
millimeter size of a honeybee, and the color is brownish and black stripe, and a little hair. The behavior, bumblebees are more fluffier and they are rounder. Okay, you get me?
Okay.
Okay, so you got the answer, right, Alim?
Yeah.
Okay. Zian is having that's the last question, okay?
Yeah.
Zian,
Okay.
please ask your question.
So, what might happen to ecosystems and food supplies if bee population, continue to decline, like
So,
continuously being extinct?
Ziani, you already asked this question, no? Along with your
No,
first question.
no, I haven't.
You asked, I remember this.
You asked. But I
I
don't know whether
did.
she answered it or not. You asked.
No, actually, she said she don't know the answer. It took a lot of time. Do you remember that,
Yeah,
Zian?
yeah, yeah. You asked the same questions here. Zian, I have already
Exactly,
given you
we'll do one
points.
thing,
Don't
no?
worry.
Yeah.
Okay,
And
Zian,
Zian
if you
also
know the
explained,
answer,
right?
Zian, if you know the answer, you can tell the answer here.
So, what
Yeah.
are some? Okay, this is another. What are some factors that threaten bee population today, and how can we make sure that we can protect?
Protect the bees. We can protect the
No, the
bees.
first one is what are some factors that threaten the bee population?
So, Zian, the previous question, if you
Without
know the
knowing the
answer, you can share it, okay?
What, man?
Previous
without
question, for the previous question, if you have an answer, you can share it. Okay, Zian.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, Zoya.
without knowing
Your voice is a bit low now.
We couldn't hear.
ma'am, I don't know.
Yeah.
Anyone? Anyone who knows the answer? The reasons, like the factors that threaten the bees population. Hope you understood the question. Anyone who knows the answer? Zian will answer now. Zian.
So the factors threatening the bee pollutions are like four stuffs: pesticides, habitat loss, climate change, and disease and parasites. So like pesticides, like we use chemicals to use like to control pests, right? So the pest, like the pesticides, those can harm bees or directly affect their ability to navigate and forage. And habit loss, like habit loss is a big problem for them because it takes long time for them to know if that place like gonna stay is safe. So if they lose that area, then they have to keep on search, so it will take more days, and they might eventually like die. And climate change, the problem with the climate change is that changes in temperature and weather patterns, can affect flowers blooming times. So that could also be disrupting the relationships between bees and plants. And last, disease and parasites. Bees can be affected by disease and parasites such as the varroa mite, and which can also weaken or kill entire colonies. And if we want to protect, like bees from those stuffs, we could create a habitat for them, support local beekeepers, or reduce pesticide use. Okay, like using fewer chemicals in garden yards, so that can help to protect bees. And we can be plant bee, like plant bee like friendly gardens. Like people can plant flowers that attract bees, providing them with food sources. Yeah, that's all.
Very good, Zian.
They
Very good, Zian. Alim, is it you? Alim?
nothing.
Yeah. So,
Okay,
ma'am,
thank
I
you,
think,
Zian, for letting us know the answer. Okay, and we can wind up,
Welcome.
right, ma'am?
yes, ma'am,
Do
I
we
think
have any
so.
vote of
Yes,
thanks?
ma'am. Yes, vote of thanks is Hannah Mariam. Hannah
As
Mariam.
as we finish our session, I want to say a big thank you to Zoya for teaching us today. You are amazing. I also want to thank you all for joining us. Your excitement and questions made this webinar fun. Let's remember to help the bees by planting flowers, using fewer chemicals, and telling our friends how important bees are. Thank you for being part of our webinar. Let's all work together to protect our bee friends. Have a wonderful day.
Ma'am, do we need to join your respective class?
Yes, yes. So the
Yes,
webinar
yes.
is over. So thank you so much for joining with us. And Zoya, you did a good job. Your presentation was good, and all of you participated well and asked the questions. Okay. So thank you so much. You all can leave and join back to your class.
Students who are dealing with the project.
Bye, ma'am.